Good day everyone, thanks for joining me in this video. This video is not for the purpose of disruptive criticism, but I just want to ask important questions that I also believe is also important to you. And the question is regarding the rascality of the 2027 that has started spreading in Nigeria. And today, in my previous video, I talked about the coalition that is happening, the meetings that is ongoing, where all these old politicians are gathering together in the name of they want to remove someone in power. I want to ask these questions. Number one, is there anything wrong for these people to gather together because of the insecurity in Nigeria? Someone should help me think. Maybe I'm not thinking right. Is there anything wrong if all these people, Atiku, Bitobi, Kwakwanso, all these people gathering like this, if they gather because people are dying, the day they are gathering now, they gathered on Sunday, right? The day they gathered, 42 Christians were killed in Taraba State. The last time I checked, Bitobi won Taraba State. People who voted for him, 42 people were massacred in the midnight. The following day, he is there doing coronation. This video is not to talk down on anybody. From Tinubu down to all these politicians, they are all the same. The reason why I'm saying this and the reason why I'm putting forth these questions is to make people who don't reason, who don't think, to think. Because questions will always make people who are timid to think. Without question, they can't think, they can't reason. Now, if people who are talking about 2027, if they are talking about the people who are dying today, maybe people could have started talking about the solution, because as far as I'm concerned, nobody's talking about the solution to the insecurity challenges in Nigeria. And quote me anywhere. The problem in Nigeria is killing. Yes. Now, let me take you back to the history. You hear about the civil war that happened in Nigeria, Nigeria and Biafra war, as they call it. The killing that is happening today was what led to this Nigerian Biafra war. There is what they call pogrom, where Igbos were being killed. People from the southern Nigeria were being killed. They behead them, put their heads down to the train or motor going to the south. It was deadly as that. And today, more deadlier than what we witnessed or what we read that happened then is happening. And no one is talking about it. But something is going to happen very soon. Now, when you look at the coalition talk, everybody just talking about 2027. I ask again, anybody who tells you that he has a solution to the problem of Nigeria without telling you the problem or the solution to the killing problem, the person is trying to gamble you, the person is trying to play you. Tinubu, Atiku, Bitobi, including Sowore, none of them has provided a very clear picture on how to solve the killing in Nigeria. And I'm just asking this question because every day in Nigeria, minimum of 30 people are dying. Nigeria is not at war, but we are already in a secret war that is not declared. How can you stop the killing of these people? If you believe or you think that once you have the power, you can order them. I always make mention of what happened to Goodluck Jonathan. Goodluck Jonathan, even army did not take order from him. Even today, let me tell you, no matter what Tinubu will do, Tinubu can't stop the killing. You all see that if Tinubu has the ability to stop the killing, that he could have stopped it. He don't have the ability. This killing is beyond what you think or imagine. All these people gathering now to remove Tinubu, part of them are sponsoring these killings in Nigeria. So how do you think that these killings could stop or will stop? No possibility at all. It's not going to stop. And that is why I'm trying to tell Nigerians, those who think that political regime change is the hope of the people, God will keep all of us alive. I will still be on this platform to remind you after you have wasted your time, after you have wasted your years. Some people will put forth questions like, what is the solution? Now, that will take me back to what I was telling you, that this problem we're having today was before Ojukwu rose. And let me remind you about this again. You hear about the song that says, Holy, 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 Odumegojukwu is another savior, holy. Yeah. That song was coined out because Ojukwu stand to save his people. His people were dying like chicken. And he said, no, enough. We can't live in the same country with these people if they continue killing our people. Yeah. And to resolve this was what led to a Aburi Accord. And Britain called Gowon from the British Embassy in Lagos. Do not implement this agreement. Because they knew that Nigeria will become one of the greatest countries with that agreement, where everybody will manage their own security. They know that Islamization will not be possible through Aburi Accord. They know that siphoning of people's resources, not getting oil well in the south, the gold mine in the north, nobody is touching it. They're sponsoring security to get the good for free and enrich their pockets. Those things will not be. And Gowon, unfortunately succumbed to their cause not to implement a Aburi Accord. And Ojukwu said, okay, no problem, you people can continue to kill my people. Let's declare our own country. And that was how Nigeria now mobilized countries and started fighting the Biafra Republic. Why am I saying this? There is nothing that happened before that will not happen tomorrow again. Yeah, heard me right. There is nothing that happens before that will not happen again. Because the killing will touch everybody. It's not a prayer, it's a trend. We study trend. The killing is going to reach everybody. It's coming. Gradually, it's coming. Already coming to the town now. Yeah, it's already coming to the town. As at the time I was speaking to you, we have reports that we are trying to verify. Today is Sunday, as at the time of making this video. Sunday, the 25th day of May. Attacks happening in the cities already. We're trying to verify the reports we have now. But these people are talking about coalition. But who do I blame? Is it not the gullible Nigerians who don't know their left from their right? Who think that by putting out Tinubu now, even though Tinubu is not still good, putting out Tinubu will bring the solution? No. The solution will never come as far as Nigeria remains one. No regional government, no separation, nothing. If you think Nigeria will get better, it means you don't have the ability to reason about the problem on ground. The problem on ground is beyond an individual ability to govern people. There is an agenda, and that agenda is all about religion. The agenda is all about, that is what led to everything you are seeing. You are seeing agitation, you are seeing this one. You see people carrying out. What is leading to all these things is because the killing, the unfair treatment, and so on and so forth. And everything boils down to one thing. People really want to hijack the nation. People want to change everything. People want to change everything about this nation. They already draw the map of how the nation is going to go. So all these things you people are doing is like a hypothesis. It's trying and error. This nation will not get better like this. Don't let anyone to deceive you. All these things you are seeing is deception. Has Nigeria, been able to get it in 1 year? Maybe you could come out to say this year, oh, it's better than last year. No, it doesn't happen in Nigeria. It doesn't. The world is going bad. It was fulfilled in Nigeria. Nigeria is absolutely going bad. I don't know how you reason about all these things, but I have to say what I have to say. That these people are gathering, they don't talk about the killings, they don't talk about what is going on in Nigeria, and they want to deceive people that they themselves have the solution. They don't have it. They don't have it. So all these things happening is a pure and complete deception.